Today, we will discuss how to take rally trades towards a direction with high and low time frame analysis. I'll do a quick recap on it. Then I'll talk about the free masterclass program update that I am sure you will love it. If you are ready, let's do this. Before I talk about the free masterclass program update, let's take a look at this trade. In this 4-hour chart, price sharply dropped to the 4-hour imbalance area, and the price started to accumulate inside the hourly imbalance. Then the buyers started to gain control here, showing some intention of price wants to go higher. And if you notice right here, we have a counter imbalance. This imbalance supposed to push the price down, but it fails badly. Instead, a new imbalance comes to life, which I mostly call momentum imbalance. This is a concept that I call price switch, that you will learn a lot in the free masterclass update. Of course, the main question remains the same for me. Where is this price heading towards? The previous day's high was the main target. Plus to that, I also noticed the equal highs above. So, I had this extraordinary rally upwards. How did I jump onto this rally? Let's drop to the 5-minute time frame and discuss further. Right before taking out the previous day high, price created this very nice structure box and this nice imbalance inside. Right inside the imbalance, you can notice something very similar. What we did in 4-hour time frame, a micro price switch. Small failing imbalances, new momentum imbalance. Basically, buyers step in and gain control again here. This is how I traded. Took some profit and left the rest for a possible further rally. This was a great representation of momentum scalping towards a nice target. Now the main question is this: how to find and catch this kind of trades very quickly. In the free masterclass program update, you will find all the answers you need. First of all, I kind of revolutionized the chart reading. I was using 2 or 3 screens all the time and I was overloaded with charts and data. But now I managed to squeeze everything into one single screen. Everything I need is now in one screen with perfect layout. We did this by doing one free indicator from the trading view at no cost at all. I am able to check 10 time frames at once without any useless clutter and focus on the price action very easily now. In the 3 layout system, we will see 3 main methods. First, learn to confirm momentum and power to a direction with higher time frames. This will be our scalping direction mostly. In the smaller layout, you will learn about the bias. Bias is great to understand why there is a momentum and rally to a specific direction. Finally, you'll be learning to make entries in lower time frames, basically learning how to scalp. This is the finalized one single screen 3 layout system. I'm sure you will love it. Finally, at the end, I also show how I trade the rally strategy with market orders only. A way of true scalping in and out from the market as quickly as possible. I already started giving free access, so in your masterclass dashboard, you'll be able to see the new program. Mail me if you need any further assistance. Okay friends, I think you will love this free update. I put a lot of effort into this and I showed you everything I know and how I trade. Please take care for now. See you in the next videos.